Picture this. Hollywood heartthrob Chris Hemsworth, adored for his role as Thor in the Marvel Cinematic Universe, fuels his superhero physique with a green smoothie every morning. Yes, you heard that right. This Australian actor swears by his green smoothie, a potent blend of leafy greens, fruits and protein, to keep him in peak physical condition. Moving on, we have the Queen of Pop, Madonna. Known for her ever-evolving style and incredible stamina on stage, Madonna attributes her vitality to her daily berry smoothie. Packed with antioxidants and essential nutrients, this smoothie helps the pop icon maintain her youthful glow and boundless energy. Next on our list is Jennifer Aniston, the Friends star, who stole our hearts as Rachel Green. Aniston's secret to her age-defying beauty is her morning ritual of a banana and cacao smoothie. This delicious concoction, rich in potassium and antioxidants, helps her maintain her radiant complexion and svelte figure. Let's not forget about Dwayne "The Rock" Johnson. This wrestling icon turned Hollywood superstar starts his day with a protein-packed smoothie. His go-to blend includes whey protein, spinach, and a hint of apple, fueling his intense workouts and helping him build those impressive muscles. Last but not least, we have the health-conscious Gwyneth Paltrow, the Oscar-winning actress and wellness entrepreneur. She swears by her detoxifying beetroot smoothie, a vibrant blend that not only looks good, but also packs a punch when it comes to health benefits. Summing up, these celebrities with their individual smoothie diets show us that nutritious, delicious smoothies can be an essential part of a healthy lifestyle. Smoothies, like these celebrities' favorites, are packed with essential nutrients, antioxidants, and proteins that can help maintain a glowing complexion, build muscle, and boost overall vitality. Moreover, smoothies offer a quick and easy way to consume a variety of fruits and vegetables. They're not just a trend among celebrities, but a lifestyle choice that everyone can adopt for better health and well-being. For those interested in delving deeper into the world of smoothies, visit our link in the comments section, or click the link in this ad for a full smoothie diet guide presentation. If you would like to stay informed on the smartest, most delicious ways to pursue your smoothie diet, subscribe or follow our channel for weekly updates on smoothie recipes, smoothie bowl tips, and more. So, whether it's Chris Hemsworth's green smoothie, Madonna's berry blend, Jennifer Aniston's banana and cacao concoction, The Rock's protein shake, or Gwyneth Paltrow's beetroot detox, there's a celebrity-inspired smoothie for everyone. It's time to blend, sip, and enjoy the health benefits of these superstar smoothies.